Hello everyone, Heine Haynes Show for Scale. From Shadow Cutlery, we've got the Japanese Daburu style folders. Unfortunately, once again, we have sold out of the ancient bone ones, but I can show you the bamboo. First of all, non-locking, slip jointed blades, traditional Japanese shape and style. You can see a harmon on there. But unfortunately I cannot find anywhere to say whether it's actually genuine or engraved on. But the price point of the knife may indicate that it's a styling feature on there. But nice blades, as you can see. What we'll do is go through the sizes of the blades, and we're looking at 2mm thick, and they are 1065 carbon steel on both blades. Weighs 58 grams, so not a lot at all. 8.5 centimeters when he's folded up. And then we've got an overall length, if one blade or the other out, of 14 centimeters. So if that blade's down, that one's open, 14 centimeters in total. But nice slip joint, friction folder style blade. Put your thumb on the back spine to hold it, and it's not going to go anywhere at all. With the bamboo version, if I bring this close up to the camera, you can see we've got a dragon symbol engraved into the bamboo there as well. So from Shadow Cutlery, that is the Daburu Japanese style folding dragon knife.